Sarah had a rough day at work, so she opened her favourite AI chatbot and started typing, just like millions of people do every day. She thought she was talking to a private assistant. She wasn't. She vented about her manager. She pasted in a draft resignation email that mentioned her exact salary. She even asked the chatbot for advice about a personal financial decision. It felt like texting the smartest friend she'd ever had, one who always had the right answer and never judged her. But Sarah never stopped to ask, where does all of this actually go? Here's the truth. When you type something into a chatbot, you're not just having a private conversation. Depending on the platform and your settings, that conversation can be stored, reviewed, or even used to help train the AI itself. Think of it like sending a message into a group chat where you don't know everyone who's reading. This isn't just a what if. In 2023, Bloomberg reported that Samsung engineers pasted confidential source code and internal meeting notes into a popular AI chatbot to help with their work. Once it was entered, Samsung could no longer fully control where that information went. Samsung responded by restricting employee use of public AI chatbots while it strengthened its internal controls. Sarah's situation and Samsung's situation aren't so different. Different people, same mistake, treating a chatbot like a diary instead of a public tool. So what should Sarah and you actually do? First, never paste passwords, financial details, or confidential information into a chatbot. Second, check your privacy settings. Most major AI platforms let you turn off chat history or opt out of having your conversations used for training. Third, before you paste anything sensitive, pause and ask yourself, would I be comfortable if a stranger read this? Here's the good news. Sarah didn't need to stop using AI chatbots. She just needed to use them a little differently, smart, aware, and a little more careful. Think before you type, even to a machine. If this helped you see AI chatbots a little differently, subscribe to CyberBlink for more practical tips that keep you one step ahead.